Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ESET endpoint protection from Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, click on the Windows Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Control Panel and press Enter. Once the Control Panel window opens, locate and click on Programs. In the Programs menu, select Programs and Features. Scroll through the list to find ESET endpoint protection. Once you locate it, click on the program to highlight it. At the top of the window, click on the Uninstall button. You may be prompted to confirm your choice. If so, click Yes. The ESET Endpoint Protection Uninstaller will launch. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the uninstaller. You may be asked to enter an uninstallation password if one was set. If prompted, enter the password and click OK. The uninstallation process will begin and may take a few moments. Once the uninstallation is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Click Finish to exit the uninstaller. Next, restart your computer to ensure that all components are removed. After your computer restarts, you can check to ensure that ESET endpoint protection is no longer present. To do this, return to the Programs and Features menu and verify the list. If ESET endpoint protection is gone, the uninstallation was successful. For added assurance, consider running a system scan to ensure everything is in order. This completes the process of uninstalling ESET endpoint protection from your Windows system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.